First, take a large mixing bowl and fill with about 400 grams of flour. This recipe requires a lot of eggs, and you will need to crack as many as 5 eggs into a small well in the middle of the flour. Add about 250 grams of ghee, pouring slowly round the rim of the bowl. Now with a spatula, combine the ingredients together. Begin with the eggs and then fold the flour from the outside of the bowl into the middle, turning all the time. Once the dough reaches this consistency, you'll need to slowly pour a glass of fresh milk over the mixture. Then mix the ingredients a little longer until it turns back into a light dough. Lightly flour your worktop and tip out the dough. With your hands, knead the dough thoroughly. This will take some time, so get working. Make sure you knead the dough well, as you have to get plenty of air into the mixture to keep the finished fatira nice and light.
Okay, we're going to flour our bench, as you see. And this is the dough we prepared earlier. And we're going to roll it with a rolling pin to about 3 centimeters thickness. So it's going to take a while to get that out. It's quite thick. Okay, as you see, we've been rolled to about 3 centimeters thickness, and I thought we're going to cut it.
With a sharp knife, score down the dough vertically like so. Then cut out several pieces with triangular and diamond shapes. Put them to one side for later. Cooking fatira is quick and simple. Fill a large frying pan and heat it to a high temperature. Carefully place a few fatira into the oil and allow them to fry. After about just 30 seconds, turn them over with some tongs. Once they have turned golden brown on both sides, they are ready. To serve, simply sprinkle with liberal amounts of caster sugar and lashings of ice cream. They're best eaten while still warm at the end of a traditional Sudanese banquet.